just going to go further to explain the different packages that are available on Enviable Transport, and then also I'm going to walk you through an account on how you can transfer and deduct money from the platform, and then how you can get your money right into your account. So stick with me. So moving on, this is the first one, which is the bike investment. So here, investing in a bike with us means buying a bike from an outside dealer, or you spend the money for us to purchase for you, and then we manage, we ride, we maintain the bike for an agreed higher purchase amount. So when the higher purchase amount is completed, the investor will do a change of ownership with the company. So basically, this is how they run all of their products. So we pay weekly, monthly, or yearly, depending on the one the investor wants, and that is exactly what it is. Like I had said in my previous video, you can decide that they should pay you weekly, monthly, or yearly. This is just part of the information they will ask you during your contract agreement and signing. Now for the bike, you need to note that your bike you will purchase must be according to their specification, and that is, if you're buying a bike from someone else, it is according to their specification. Now there are lots of benefits to this investment plan. We take all the risk that comes with the property invested with us. They're not calling you to tell you that the bike spoiled on the way, or that the driver has absconded, or all of those things. Is not your problem. So they offer weekly, monthly, and yearly installment. They give bonuses yearly or monthly, as the case may be. We do not have to bother about maintenance and any other bike related issues, as it's been borne by us completely, and all forms of payment, example driver's payment, is being handled by them. All forms of bike maintenance is being done by them as well. So this is exactly as it is. No one is asking you to pay a driver that he has not gotten his money. The only thing you know is that at the specified day, which is usually on Mondays, or depending on what your agreement is, your money is to come in weekly if you selected weekly payment, or monthly if you selected monthly payment, and of course yearly if you selected a yearly payment. Now for the bike investment, the cost of the Yamaha bike is about 1.7 million. That is currently, because this might also change depending on when you're viewing. Service charge is 200k, VAT is 100k. Then there is a 10% management fee, which is rated at 200k. Now the total payment is 2.2 million naira. Now the total returns from this bike is 3.2 million naira, and a weekly investment of 58,000 naira, and then this is going to be over a period of 56 weeks, as you can have as many as you want. So you can have like as many bike investments as you want. What I usually advise is you can check over this period of time if it's going to make sense to buy 2 or 3 bikes as against buying one keke or one Tricycle Maxima. So just do your calculation and see what works for you, and also depending on how much you have at the time, so that this would advise on what you need to invest on. Number 2 is the Tricycle Maxima investment. So this is what it looks like. It's just like an advanced keke, but this time it has 3 wheels, but then you can carry like more things, more like you can carry it looks like a truck and it looks like a tricycle at the same time. So it gives you more room for transportation of things and movement of like assets and goods, basically. Now, so for the cost of this keke Maxima, the other informations are basically the same thing with the bike investment. So the cost is 6 million naira, VAT 300k, service charge 100k, then you have 10% management fee of 600,000 naira, and that brings you to a total cost of 7 million naira. Now the return on investment is 11 million, and that is for a weekly investment. So you're going to be paid weekly 200,000 if you go with this over a duration of 52 weeks, and that's like a year and 3 weeks. And then so you can of course get as many as you want. The next one here is the keke investment. Now the keke investment is just the typical keke na pepe, and then so the cost here is now 3 million. The VAT is 200,000, service charge of 100,000, 10% management fee of 300,000, a total payment of 3.6 million naira. The return on investment is 5.6 million naira. A weekly installment is 88,500,000. Then the duration is 64 weeks, so it's no longer 1 year. So now you have 54 weeks. 64 weeks should be 64 minus 52 weeks. 64 minus 52, and that is extra 12. Okay, so that's 1 year and 3 months. In 1 year and 3 months, you're expected to get your 5.6 million naira, and of course you can get as many as you want. Now they also have the car investment, which is the fourth option. The car investment, same instructions, same information as the other packages, but this time the cost of a brand new car is and the car that they're using is a GS3 GAC, and it's 30 million naira. So the service charge is 400k. The 10% management fee is 3 million naira. Now the total package is 33,400,000, and then your total car returns is 50 million naira, and then they pay a monthly payment of 2.5 million naira, and the duration is 20 months. So, and that is exactly how you have the car. So that's how the car investment works for you. So any of these packages, please do well to reach out to them. I'm also aware that they are bringing in electric motors, electric tricycles, electric bikes, and they are of course expanding as well in different places. So please check out Enviable Transport. Now going on to the platform and how you can deduct your money. So this is the app. It's loading. So here you're going to sign in with your email and password. It's done. You click done, then login, and you're here. So on this application, you get to see different information on the things that it offers, the things that they do. You'll see your assets, you see transactions, you see your profile. So in these transactions, you see what has come in. So these are like the different inflows, the different payments that they had made. And remember that at the time I did mine, it was 2.550 million naira, and then so they were supposed to be paying me 77,000 naira every week for 1 year. These are what I had withdrawn from this platform. Then so yeah, that's what you have. Now when you go to home and just click on this, you're going to see, so this is the last transaction, the last transfer for my money that they sent in this week. So I'll just click here, withdraw. Then I'm going to type the amount of money that I want them to withdraw, You can do less, but you can't do over the balance here, over the balance you have here. You can decide that you don't want to withdraw this every week. You want to withdraw this like every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks. Whenever you just type in the amount that you want to withdraw, and then of course you withdraw. So when you're making your when you're registering with them, they will ask you for your details, your bank statement. Sorry, not your bank statement, like your bank details, where they will make the payment into. So now that you have done this, just go ahead and click on withdraw and put in your transaction pin. While this is loading, it's not going to take a few minutes, and your money, you're just going to see a Gmail notification here. So approved or completed successfully. Now this is the Gmail transaction here. And this is the UBA. So the money has come in like right immediately. This is a Gmail saying that the 77,000 naira withdrawal from my balance has just been activated, and then you just saw the UBA notification saying that this money has gone into my account. So it's really that seamless, and that's all. So thank you so much, and I'll be in the comment section. Do well to ask questions from after watching this video, and I'll be very glad to respond to you. Please subscribe, share this video, and let me know other investment information you'd like me to talk about, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.